musicalorgasms.com. This is an amazing story. I just laid down that rhythm track, that jam track with my acoustic guitar over here. This one right here. Very simple. I figured I would record the solo part, all of that, in one take, see if I could do it on video. And I did. That was honest to God the first take. This is my newest song. Now, credit to a friend of mine. His name is Jeff. I'll get his... I'll find out later if he wants me to, when I put it out there in the interwebs, if he wants his full name out there or not. But the rhythm guitar idea, it's not exactly the way that he played it, but he came up with a really cool rhythm that I thought sounded great. And I was soloing over it at his house, he and my friend Lisa, and it was sounding really good. And my friend Lisa recorded about 17 seconds of it without me knowing until I looked up and I'm like, wow. So if you want to see that little recording that inspired this song, let me know. I'll send it to you. It's just a 17-second video. It turned out so good. I was sending it to a few friends when my friend Lisa sent me that video recording, and they really liked it. One of them said, touched my soul, and there were other really flattering things like that. I was like, yeah, I can hear that. You know what? I think I'm going to do what my friend Jeff did as a sort of a jam track, and then I'll just continue soloing over it, improvising, impromptu, just like I did. And so I did that just now, put down the rhythm track first for a jam track to solo over, just improv over. And then I set everything up, got my tripod, the camera here, got the levels on the mixer, my recording studio over there. And man, that's it. All I have to do now is mix the levels to make sure it's all mixed properly, and then finalize it and put it up there. But man, you just witnessed a one take, like nearly 5-minute improv jam tune, and I'm gonna listen to it to make sure it's what I want, but I'm 99.999% sure that I'm gonna end up keeping it because I could feel it the whole way. Even when I would hit a note that sounded a little wrong, the way that I recovered from those wrong notes made it sound so good. I could just feel it. So this is a first for me. I've never done that before. I've had one takes before when I'm recording stuff, sure, plenty of times, but I never did it on camera, on video. This is an honest to God first. And as of now, this doesn't have a title, but this is just going to end up being a new song of mine under the Musical Orgasms name, musicalorgasms.com. Unbelievable. So drop your comments below. How did this song strike you? How did it strike you for a first take, or any take for that matter? And did you have any idea that I messed up a few parts from the way that I recovered? Or could you hear the mistakes, but you really appreciate the way that I recovered? And do you agree that it's worthy as just a one-take piece? Let me know. Any thoughts that you have, I'd love to hear it. After all, it was some of the thoughts from you guys that sparked the idea in my head of, well, that jam session that we did just yesterday, actually, where my friend Lisa recorded 17 seconds of it. I mean, that was enough. Sending it to some of you guys individually out there and the feedback that you gave me, that's what sparked this whole idea to do this in the first place. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, drop your feedback. I really do take your feedback to heart, and I pay attention, and you never know what else it might inspire. So thank you very much for being part of this, my friends, and man, lots more new music coming soon. I got a couple songs in the works right now, more compositional songs. This was just a flat-out jam piece that turned out great. So thanks, everyone. I appreciate it. Share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube. I got monetized on YouTube, which basically means all my stuff is free. But the more visitors and subscribers and stuff like that I get on my YouTube channel, they actually send me a little bit of money. It's pretty cool. So please subscribe, share this, put it out there, comment, all that stuff. And thank you, everyone. I appreciate you.